Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know, again, long time no see. Probably I should change the name of my YouTube channel from Valley Adelano to Long Time No See. Yes, I'm in my car, in my Volkswagen Passat. Today I'll try to do another thing. Guess what I have here? Ooh la la! Dynamic turn signal lights. You know the Audi style one? When the signal one is going like zoom, zoom. It's not the first attempt, it's the second one. They look like this. Well, if you remember the daytime running light when I've installed them a long time ago, they're still running fine, no problem. Yep, and as you can see here, this little stripe was installed a while ago, but it's completely failed because this one I've installed it wrongly in a way that the signal, instead of going from this side to this side, goes the other way from this way to this one. Actually, I can show you that. I'm trying today to fix this problem, and hopefully we're gonna have a dynamic light. So it will look like this, but as you can see, this one was installed wrong. I don't know what happened, but it looks like on both sides are working fine. Amazing. I've installed this one like 6-7 months ago, and they didn't work properly at all. So it's working fine. I don't know. Come on, it's one of those things with this technology, and sometimes it's working, sometimes it doesn't work. So it will be much easier for me. Actually, I don't need the other ones. All I have to do is just to take this one off and put it in the right way. All I have to do is just to take this ones off. Yeah, this screws here and this one here, and try to pull this one down, and hopefully I'm gonna reach this one to take it off. Okay, let's take the screws off. There's another screw which is just right there. I don't know if you can see it properly. Okay, the screw is off too. You have to just pull this on, and here we go. Slowly, slowly, quite controlling. It's off now. I have to put the cables on the other side. You have to be easy and careful with this. Oops. Before I fix it, let me see if this one is still working. I need to make a little bit of extension here because one of the cable is too short. I've always liked to use one of these little things when I connect two cables to make sure that they stick together. I know it's not that safety to do this one exactly where the diesel filter is, but I had to do it. I'm gonna be careful. Okay, the earth I'm gonna connect it to the car. Okay, I have to check again to see if it's working. It's all good. And now let's fix it inside. It's better to have another pair of hands so that you're sure you're sticking this on properly. Just push it a little bit inside. It doesn't look bad at all. All right, finally it's in the right position now. Okay, job done. Let's move on the left side. So let me explain you properly how you have to connect, all these wires. So basically, here you have a red one, red cable, black and yellow. Yellow is gonna go to the left turn in this occasion, and red one is gonna go to the daylight running lights, and the black one of course is going to be the minus, which we have to connect it here. Yeah, so it's easy peasy. You have to check on the book which cable is for the left turn. Basically you cannot connect it to the yellow bulb light, which is here. You have to go straight away to the headlights and find the cable. You have a couple of cables here on this black and white cable. Yeah, I split it just a little bit, as you can see. Yeah, that's it. You see it's a little split in there, and then you connect the yellow one, and that's for the turn left. Yeah, same procedure for the left side too. Got one screw here, one is here, one is gonna be just here. Take them off, and then We're gonna remove this one and turn it in the right position. Oh, finally, looks quite nice. I like it. Love it. Okay, the job is done. My Passat has dynamic lights like Audi. When I started the video, I told you I had this one installed before, so probably was confusing you. So let me recap a bit. I bought this one from eBay. Yeah, it was about like 12 pounds or 15 pounds over a year ago. I installed them. This is another set, the second one. I've installed them and I don't know, somehow the right hand side of the signal was working fine. Yeah, but the left one didn't work. Besides this one, instead of install them correctly, I put them the other way. Basically, the signal, instead of going from right to the back, it was going from the back to the right. Anyway, I was thinking about let's leave it like that, but just leave it for some other time. So this some other time come up after close to a year, and today I found a little bit of free time to take them off and put them back. I was thinking about, because those are now working, to put the new one. That was actually my plan, but I don't know. You know how it is with technology. If you let it be for a year, in my case, it will work fine. So when I was checking again to see if they're working before I replace them, bam bam, bibbili boom, it was working. There's no point to put the new ones, just leave the old ones in place, you know. This time I have to tell you, it was much easier, because I was thinking a different way to put them underneath the headlights. Before I took all the grill off, I took the headlights off. It was a headache. Luckily I didn't have the camera on that time, because probably I would be pissed off and not recording anymore. I'm telling you, it was a headache. It was like completely one day. I'll finish this one now like in an hour and a half, because I want to do the things, you know, like slowly and not to damage anything. I will give it another go and show you how it looks like, because now it's a bright day. It's like, what time is now? Oh, 1 o'clock, and you cannot see the light, how they work, because they're not the original ones. Don't expect to see like you know, the new Ford has very bright running daylights, and of course Audi with the dynamic lights, because it's made in fabric, it looks like proper ones, you know, like even if it's a bright daylight, you can see the signal. Like, they don't look wow so bright it will take your eyes, you know. But when it's like evening time, when it's less sunny, I think they look okay. That's why I'm gonna come back on the evening time. In my mind, looks okay. I'm happy with the job I've done. Probably I'm gonna thinking about to sell these ones, put them back on eBay. I cannot do a return, because as I said, I bought them like over a year ago. That was the story. See you next time with another video. Hopefully sooner than even myself I expected. Okay, bye bye now.